Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 SLT. This vehicle does have navigation, which to get into that, you go there, and then you type in wherever you need to go, and it will take you there. Also, you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which you can connect your phone, and then your phone screen will be on the screen up here in the infotainment center. This vehicle does have heated and cooled front seats, an exhaust brake here, front and rear park assist, which you can turn on and off here. This is for your tailgate. If you hit that, then your tailgate will go down. You have wireless charging down here. Also, if I put it in reverse, you can have surround vision, which looks around the whole truck. You can move different ways you can go. You can also turn it off if you don't want it to be looking at your whole vehicle. Also, we have bed view camera. This vehicle does have a power sliding rear window. The button for that's here. Universal home remote up here for your garage doors. This vehicle does have memory seats, Bose Sound System. If we take a look on the outside, it is the Summit White. This is the Duramax 6.6 liter. This vehicle does have the X31 off-road package. This also turns into a step here, so it's easier to get into the bed of the truck. If we take a look in the second row, this vehicle does have the weather mats, so it is nice to have if it's snowing out or just wet in general. Also, we have the little extra storage. Seats go up, and then there's storage underneath the seats. That's all I have on the Sierra. If you have any questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.